We got some new stuff, y'all. Picked up a 3-ton Daytona floor lift and some jack stands, so go ahead and unbox these things, show you what that looked like when I did that, as well as let's take care of some stuff on the Supra. It's been long neglected here. Clean it up here, figure out a sound that's going on coming from the wheel area, so we'll get to that in just a sec. All right, so here it is. Daytona 3-ton. It's a heavy duty with the rapid pump design, which is pretty cool. Can't wait to try that out. So it's got just about everything that I need for the use that I'm going to be using it for. Low profile because the car is lowered. Figured that would be nice. It's also pretty much the right distance to be able to go ahead and lift this thing up without any issues. Nice color. Never thought I'd get a green one, but that's all they had, and I honestly didn't care that much about it since it is going to be a tool and use. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. All right, so got it untaped. Prop that up. There it is. All right, so we got 2-piece. Nice. Got the cushion on there. Let's go ahead and sit that next to this. Looks like that'll go together nice and easy. Got our owner's manual and safety instructions. I'm sure everyone will read before they go ahead and use this. All right, there it is. Get it off. Whew. That is quite the color. Nice. They call this thing Slimer. I'm sure no one's done that before. There we go. Cool. Nice rubber premium pad there. Again, this is nothing too crazy. This is going to work nicely for what I need, I think. And it looks good. So, cool. Let's go ahead and get this thing out. Oh, there she is. I've gone ahead and checked for any sort of leaks. I've gone ahead and opened up the release valve and gotten any air out of the system. Tested it real quick and looks like it's ready to go. So, I also bought these guys here. So I'll go ahead and get these opened up. So these are obviously not that exciting, but they do match, which is cool. There was a big sale going on. I think they had an extra 15% on top of their normal sale. So I ended up getting these for not that much more. They were $49. I saved $50 on the jack plus 15% off. So basically, nice little free upgrade. There they are. They've got the lock here. Once it's all assembled, you'll be able to lock this in place. Here's the actual stands themselves. Yeah, not going to be doing too much crazy stuff with these, but this will be nice to have. Obviously, take the wheel off. I don't think I'm ever going to go under the car. This is literally just to help with any quick stuff, but if I needed to, I would be able to. So here we are with them installed. Got the lock feature there, which is pretty cool. So this is the front. This is what it looks like from the back. There's a little safety here just so it doesn't fall through. Nice and easy. Yeah, I mean, not bad for 50 bucks, I guess. All right, so I've gone ahead and got this set up and tested. Got it all set up there. Got my jack stand in place. Got my wheel. I didn't take it off because I'm chasing down a sound that is happening as I'm driving here. Let me see if I can duplicate here. Yeah, there it is. Possibly dust shield or something, but I'm gonna head in there and see what I can find. Yeah, see what I can get. So dust shield definitely, I think, was part of it. Not sure exactly what else, but it's much quieter now after bending it back a little bit. Still something there, so we'll figure it out. All right, well, I have located the issue, and I've actually already tested it, but the dust shield here was actually rubbing against the upgraded rotor pretty much right there. I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit more clearance, but it's not making any noise at the moment. You can see there's a little bit of flex there, so I'll try to get that back just a little bit more, but no more noise. When I go ahead and turn it, as you can see, nice and quiet. Super happy about that. While I was down here, I also was able to take a look and see my dirty suspension here, but they are the old school, let's see, there we go, KYB G2s, as well as iBox springs. It's there somewhere, I forget where the actual logo's at, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean some things up while I'm down here. Looking okay so far. I'm also gonna clean this area up here. I'll do the same on both sides, but yeah, I'm super happy. I figured it was something stupid, and sure enough, it's a dust shield. So yeah, I'll work on clearancing this out just a little bit more, clear up a little bit of this stuff here, and yeah, I'll work on the next side. All right, so I went ahead and cleaned up the area a little bit. Looks much nicer. Get some of that glare out. I've got some fender liner cleaning protectant. I also cleaned up the area here a little bit. I think I'm gonna do these in black. What do you think? Black, or go back to like a factory finish? But I don't know, maybe I'll go black. That's kind of where I'm leaning. Maybe you'll let me know what you guys think. But yeah, I'm happy with how this turned out. Happy there's no more noise. So I'll go ahead and repeat the process on the other side. Jack's working out nicely too, in the floor jack and the stand. So I'll go ahead and try the other side here, make sure there's nothing else rubbing on that side, and we'll button it up and we'll take it for a test drive, and yeah, we'll call it a day. All right, well, that's a success. No noises other than the normal target creeps and creaks and stuff like that. Super happy. It's a small victories, right? This thing was bugging me. I just didn't have the time. I didn't make the time to go ahead and figure it out, but it was something stupid, I know, but got it up in the air with my new jack, and yeah, super happy. Wow, it was just making this clicking sound, and I just kind of dismissed it, but so happy now that that noise is gone. Feels better. I also replaced some lug nuts too that I discovered. Didn't even realize I had one missing, so replaced that. I actually replaced just a bunch of them while I could. No noise whatsoever. Super happy. So that'll do it for today. Hope you guys like that. A little bit different type of content I was looking forward to making. So yeah, let's see what's next. Let me know how you guys are enjoying this, and thank you so much for all the subscribers. Tell your friends if you have any other Supra friends looking for other ideas, and have a pretty big collaboration coming up here soon I'll let you know more about it. I actually got a couple, so we'll talk to you guys soon.